Welcome to A Day with Zenler. So what I'm going to talk about today is what we do on A Day with Zenler. So welcome everybody. So what I want to do is I want to explain to you what Day with Zenler is and why we're doing it. So A Day with Zenler is all about us being live with our community members on our Facebook group, but we also stream here into the YouTube channel as well. So every month, the last Friday of the month, we run a 6-hour special. Now we started in March and we run an 8-hour one because we wanted to come in with a bang. All right. So, but normally they're going to be for 6 hours. So next one's going to run out at 25th of March, and then it's going to be the last Friday of every month. Okay. So just to let you have a quick brief look at sort of what went on in the 8 hours we did in March, so you understand what we're going to do is you can check out the playlist on YouTube. Inside there we got the last one, 8 hours. There's actually 4 sessions, okay, and you can see those. But if we jump to the blog here, you're going to see here A Day with Zenler. This is the March 2025, and we're going to put a blog post up after each run as well, because each one's going to be different, okay, different, exciting. You can see the video in there as well. So you can find the link in the description, guys, if you want to watch that session 1. And you can see what we're covering here. We're covering lots of different things. So in the first session, we were covering housekeeping and optimizing and streamlining your platform for success. Okay. And we talk about why housekeeping is important, and the particularly housekeeping session, and some of these might drop in each month, some might not, but the housekeeping one is really good because we give you little tips on what you should make sure that you're doing with your site, such as making sure that you set up your SEO preview so that when you share it, you actually see what you have put in rather than some default message or it's saying something like opt-in page, okay, when you want it to say the title of what you're talking about. So housekeeping is all about managing your members, maybe keeping your videos organized by using tags. All this kind of thing is housekeeping for your site. So we spend a bit of time, we're talking about all those things. And we're talking about lots of different things for the housekeeping section. And generally, I'll give you some homework to do. So I'll say, come on, guys, like just do this. Try and get this done this week or in this month before the next Zenler comes up. Try and get that thing done. And they're crucial. These steps are all crucial. So you shouldn't be ignoring them or thinking, oh, well, that's interesting, and then just walking off. You should be doing this to your Zenler site right now. And in fact, it doesn't just apply to a Zenler site, it applies to every site. Okay, but I show you in Zenler how you can do it. So you'll need to find out if you're using a different platform, what you need to do. All right, but the same thing. So then in session 2, we were talking about unlocking the power of support. So we were talking about what support Zenler offers you and how you can almost self-help yourself, where to find resources. So it saves you valuable time. Lots of people post questions on our Facebook group and they don't need to really. If they did a quick search, they would find that the answers are already there, already out there, and they just need to know where to go or what to do to find it. So we spent a bit of time covering this and making sure that people understood the differences between educational and technical support. We gave you exclusive tips and tricks on how to speed up your workflow as well. This was part of that session. We looked at how communities will be a game changer for you. We looked at leveraging the power of blogs and SEO. And of course, we set you some homework assignments. We'd love these sessions to be interactive and give you guys something to do rather than just sit and watch. Okay. So we like you to actually get in there and start doing things. In session 3, we covered building and managing a community in Zenler. So we went through the whole process of all the different types of communities you can set up, how you can use them. This was a big session. It's to do with our new community feature that we've got in, that we're building features in all the time. So it was really important from the educational point of view that you really understood how communities worked inside Zenler with our enterprise level community feature that we've got built in for our paid members. So we gave you key takeaways to do as well: setting up communities, integrating communities with courses, managing users and the content, and leveraging SEO with public communities. We also talked about advanced features, practical applications, and finished off with a final thought. In session 4, We talked about AI customization and website styling. Zenler is more than just an intuitive, easy to use platform. There's also some very powerful features in there that allow you to use different software, in this case AI, to completely change and restyle the way your site works. And we touched on that. We've got courses backing this up as well. This is not something we normally do, but with the emergence of AI making things so simple, we can actually start to show you how you can get AI to write code for you to change your sites. And again, this does not apply just to Zenler. This applies to WordPress sites, or probably any sites out there, if you've got that ability to add what we allow you in Zenler. Because I tell you now that a lot of the platforms won't let you do this, and you're stuck in their templates. They might have a lot of fancy looking templates, but you're still stuck within those templates, whereas Zenler allows you to really break free. And that's why I love the platform myself, being from the development background. I love to go in and really use it from a power point of view, and quite a few of our users do as well. And we've even got people that have never touched or looked at code in their life actually doing this stuff and going, wow, that's easy. So that was what we were covering in session 4 of that. So we also went through a demo of Zenler, so it's definitely worth checking out session 4. But if you want to see a demo of the free plan that we've got. And we went and showed you an onboarding session as well. So what our onboarders, or our pro and premium members, get when they join us, they get an onboard session. So we sort of showed you what was going on behind the scenes. Okay. So AI powered customization, website style tips, had a Q&A session in that. And we set you some homework assignments as well. Experiment with AI tools like ChatGPT. Use our global includes inside the Zenler platform to add code and make massive differences to your site in a few seconds. Okay. Review your page SEO settings to ensure they're optimized for search engines. So this is a day with Zenler. We do this the last Friday of every month. And you can join us. You can see it live in the YouTube channel. So if you're watching it here, you can see it live. You can also sign up, give you a sign up link so you can register to get emails when things are attending and what the agenda is about. You get that first before we post that onto our Facebook group. And we also stream this into our Facebook group. And you have the chance in the Q&A sessions in both YouTube and in Facebook to jump in live with us if we feature a Q&A section in that particular live. Okay guys, so this is a day with Zenler. Get in there, learn more about course creation, membership creation, and marketing your online business with Zenler.